Hi, welcome all of you on YourPedia Education platform. And on YourPedia Education, you are getting the latest updates related to post-gate counselings where you have to apply and all. So those of you who have got very low gate score, they are disappointed that, sir, with this gate score, we may not get any kind of selection. You need to see a couple of things here. Opportunities, let me tell you. If your CGPA is good, and what is good CGPA? That video is already uploaded. If your CGPA is good, then you should think of applying in MS and PhD courses. But sir, is MS PhD courses equally good as MTech? Again, you understand that MS can be even better than MTech. That also I've uploaded the videos that MS can be better than MTech also. So see that particular thing also. That is number one. Number two, if your CGPA is also low, then you need to see some kind of hidden department where students do not apply. And I've told you that CCMT is there, NIT counseling is there, and you are to go up to last round. There are certain last rounds also. Till that, people take admission and only you are left. So people don't take risk. They don't go beyond a particular round. They take the admission and till the last rounds, only some students are left. So you can think of doing that also. My CGPA is less, my gate score also is less. What should I do, sir? Keep pushing up to one particular limit. My CGPA is good, gate score is less, no problem. You can get into master's courses like MS and PhD courses also. Sir, my CGPA is also less, my gate score is also less. What to do? There are certain very good institutes which are conducting their own test. They want gate score, but they are conducting their own test also. They gave weightage to that test also. Gate non-qualified may not be eligible, but you will be eligible. So try to apply there also. And then if gate is not criteria, written test only is criteria, but institute is very good, like BITS Plani or IIIT Hyderabad or something, you can think of getting into that also. So all these things combined together, you can convert your gate score into selection. Last but not the least, winter admission is also there, in which you can think of getting, the winter admission opens in October, but I will not suggest you that you should not apply now, because for winter admission also, this your experience of application now helps you in winter admission also. So think of applying now so that in winter you are very clear how which domains you can explore and how it is to be done. So if despite of your low gate score, just do this, and if you get the call, you should be in position to convert that. There are many masters courses, MTech courses in which there is an interview, etc. Wherever he asks you SOP, think of applying there, because less student apply in those areas. SOP, SOR requirement, student think, okay, I cannot make it, so they don't apply. So competition is less where SOP, SOR are asked. And SOP, SOR is very easy to make. You can watch the videos which I've uploaded on YouTube, so you can think of doing that also. So just keep these things in mind, and you can convert your low gate score also into some kind of selection. All the best.